Bro, hi guys, today I'm gonna be playing Brookhaven. Show you glitches, something like that, bro. And I will show you. I know this is my avatar, bro. This is so poor, bro. I'm gonna go into Brookhaven now. No. Today I'm gonna show you how to get korblox in Berry Avenue. So you go in Berry Avenue. Now it's downloading, bro. By the way, we have a winner now, bro. We live in Hastings, bro. Okay. You go right here. Make avatar. Click the search button. Search menu. Click on the bodies. Now click on the characters. Now write korblox. I'll search. Click on this one. And if you click on this, it will make you korblox. If you want without stomach too, you can make it's not. Sorry, bro. Sorry, guys. Sometimes not downloading, but I'm glad to show you today. So, bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.